This might be the most beautiful bird on Earth. This bird looks like it was painted, not born. Meet the Lilac-Breasted Roller, Africa's flying rainbow. Turquoise wings, lilac chest, green head. Its tail streams into brilliant blue. And when it flies, it performs breathtaking aerial rolls, twisting and diving like an acrobat. Those displays aren't just for show. They're for courtship and territory, a clear warning to rivals. This land is taken. Despite its beauty, this bird is a fierce hunter, snatching insects, lizards, and even small snakes from the ground. Nature didn't hold back on this one. Subscribe for more unbelievable animals that feel too perfect to be real.